How to apply for a Temu delivery driver. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, check the eligibility. Typically, you need to be at least 18 years old. Next, you must have a valid driver's license and, depending on the region, you may need a clean driving record. You will need access to a reliable vehicle that meets Temu's standards. Lastly, you will likely need a smartphone to use the delivery app for navigation, receiving orders, and customer interactions. So, go to Temu's official website and navigate to the couriers or driver delivery section. Temu might post specific job listings or application portals for drivers. Further, go ahead and complete the online application. Provide basic personal information like your name, address, phone number, etc. Submit information about your vehicle and driving experience. You may be asked to upload documents such as your driver's license, proof of insurance, and background check consent. Once submitted, Temu will likely require you to undergo a background check to ensure your driving record and criminal history are clear. Once approved, you will receive notifications from delivery orders through the Temu app. You can choose which orders to accept based on your availability and proximity. Ensure you meet delivery items, times, maintain good communication with customers, and follow any other operational guidelines provided by Temu. So, this is how you can apply for a Temu delivery driver. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.